When we install Python packages with pip or any package management tool, it's common to specify the exact version directly as shown in this example. However, this is not the only way to specify Python versions. There are other ways that are more flexible and can be what we want in practice. When the exact package version is not specified with the equal sign as shown in these two examples, only the minimum version matching is installed. For example, if version 2 is specified, then only version 2.0.0 will be installed. This is actually not quite useful in practice and is rarely used. We can use asterisk as a wildcard in the version specifier. The asterisk in the first command tells pip to install the latest available version of pandas that starts with 2, matching any minor or maintenance version in that major version series. This is also not commonly used, as the minor version can contain breaking changes. It's more common to use the second command to limit both the major and minor versions and install the latest available maintenance version. In addition to the asterisk, we can also use the greater than and less than signs as shown in these two examples, which are equivalents of the two commands in the previous slide. It's more verbose but more flexible. We can have more control in this style if we want to limit the maintenance versions as well.